In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy USDT on BingX. We'll walk through the entire process using BingX's P2P marketplace, so you can purchase USDT directly with your local currency in a safe and straightforward way. First, open the official BingX website in your browser and sign into your account. Using the correct site is important for security. If you're new to the platform, make sure your account details are up to date and keep your login protected. On the home page, find and click Buy Crypto. This opens the buying options available in your region. From there, choose P2P trading. P2P or peer-to-peer lets you buy USDT from verified merchants and individual users, often with popular local payment methods. Next, type in the amount you want to spend or the amount of USDT you want to receive. Double check that the displayed fiat currency matches what you intend to use. You'll see a list of offers with prices, minimum and maximum limits, and seller details. Make sure your amount fits within the seller's limits. Click All Payments to filter by the payment method you prefer. Select the one that's most convenient and available to you, such as bank transfer or an e-wallet. Filtering ensures you only see sellers who accept your chosen method, which saves time and avoids mismatches. After applying your filters, scroll through the list and choose an ad that suits you. Look at the price, the seller's completion rate, number of orders, and any notes or terms they've posted. Picking a reputable seller with a strong track record helps make the process quicker and smoother. When you're ready, click Buy USDT. Confirm the amount and review the order details carefully. You'll see a countdown timer showing how long you have to complete the payment. Make sure everything is correct before proceeding. Now, complete the payment exactly as the seller instructs. Pay the exact amount using the selected method and include any required notes or reference codes. Keep your proof of payment. Only after you've sent the funds should you click Transferred. Notify seller. Do this within the time limit so your order doesn't expire. Communicate with the seller through the in-app chat if you need clarification. And avoid moving the conversation outside the platform. Finally, wait for the asset release. The seller will confirm receipt and release the USDT to your account. You'll see the funds appear once the release is done. If there's a delay, stay calm, keep your proof of payment handy, and use the order chat to follow up. That's it. You've successfully bought USDT on BingX using P2P trading.